Hello guys,
Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 6 best smartphone and PC transcription apps. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button, and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Dragon Anywhere. Dragon Anywhere is a premium transcription application available in the present market. This gives us an accuracy of 99% in transcribing audio to text. This is compatible with both Android and iOS platforms. Using Dragon Anywhere, you can easily create text from the audio of any length or duration. It also provides tools to edit, format, and share them directly from the application itself. This application allows you to teach the words how you speak, so that it can easily understand the way you speak and whatever you speak. Dragon Anywhere can be linked to Evernote and can access the notes from anywhere on any device. From there itself you can share the documents to email, Dropbox, and more. Key features: no limits to transcribe. Maintains 99% accuracy. Easy to share documents. Saves your dictation to Evernote as a new document. Pricing. The plans and pricing of Dragon Anywhere are as displayed on the screen. Number 2. Google Assistant. Google Assistant is the most familiar application for almost all smartphone users. This application allows you to control your smartphone with voice commands. Likewise, this application can also work as a transcriber. Using this, you can transcribe with an accuracy of 86%. All this happens because of its voice recognition feature, and it allows you to send messages, make calls, and add events to the calendar just with your voice. One more thing about Google Assistant is you can avail all its features for free. You can easily share the transcribed text in Word and other word processing software. This is compatible with both Android and iOS platforms. Features: free of cost, easy to use, safe and secure, works with your favorite stuff too. Number 3. Transcriber Pro. Transcriber Pro is one of the transcription software available for the Windows operating system. This gives you professional level output. The main aim of this application is to ease the transcription process. It includes some cool features like making timestamps and also converts any complicated audio into text within a short time. This is also available in the free trial version. Highlights: transcribe like a pro. Works faster. Proofreading in a new light. Teamwork. Number 4. Speech Notes. Speech Notes is a transcription application available for Android. This allows non-stop and unlimited dictations. This is a very lightweight and easy-to-use application. It recognizes voice or audio and turns it into text with great accuracy. The speech notes can also be used from its official site without installing the application on your smartphone. It provides an inbuilt keyboard for easy adding of punctuations and editing the transcript content. Features: simple user interface. Optional backup to Google Drive. Auto capitalization and spacing. Lightweight application. Number 5. Voice Notes. Voice Notes are the best note-taking application that allows you to record important notes and ideas quickly. This can be downloaded from Google Play Store for free. You can create notes, reminders in an easy and effective way. You can also edit the transcribed text with its virtual keyboard and auxiliary tools. It comes with a multicolor interface, so that you can change the theme color according to your mood. You can save, export the transcribed notes to the machine-readable format, JSON, or to a normal text format, TXT. Features: simple interface. Free application. User categories. Easy to export, import. Number 6. Speech Texter. Speech Texter is an Android application that makes you convert your speech, audio into text. This is a powerful speech-to-text application. It allows you to make continuous transcription with a custom dictionary like punctuation marks, phone numbers, addresses, etc. This application is mostly used by teachers, students, writers, and bloggers across the world. Speech Texter supports nearly 70+ languages with higher accuracy. Features: creates text notes. Dictionary. Supports 70+ languages. 95% of accuracy in transcription. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.